For our second argument, we are looking at how teachers have the ability to directly impact students' health. Throughout life, some of our most influential and life-changing role models are teachers. Teachers often stimulate admiration and aspiration from their students. They are in a position to be one of the most influential people in students' lives and play a pivotal role in developing attitudes and behaviours, particularly in regards to health. Students observe their teachers each and every day. They observe the physical, mental, spiritual, social and cognitive dimensions of health that are displayed by their teachers. Students will observe what teachers are eating, how they relate to other staff members, and how they react to different situations. A case study conducted by the Department of Education, Training and Employment found that teachers who displayed poor health habits in the classroom had a negative influence on students' health habits. This resulted in students becoming less engaged in the content delivered and had detrimental effects on students' learning outcomes. Teachers' health habits are not only impacting students' health choices, but also affecting their academic results. To further support this argument, research conducted by Mooney and Oliver showed that well-designed, broad-based, whole-school approaches to promoting health and well-being can have a positive impact on health-related outcomes as well as educational-related outcomes. Teachers who modelled healthy choices and behaviours played a major role in increasing the healthy choices and behaviours shown by students. A recent survey conducted in Australia found that 29% of teachers agreed that attempts to focus on well-being promoted healthy efficacy and well-being of students. It was determined from this research that a teacher's well-being was considered directly relevant for creating a stable environment for students' ability to learn.
A possible counter-argument on this topic could be that teachers are not the main role model in a student's life. Some research suggests, compared with teachers, individual and family characteristics may have 4 to 8 times the impact on student health. Teaching has the potential to help level the playing field, but it is not the primary influence on a student's health.
To this we would rebut that teachers who have a quality relationship with health can significantly impact students' perceptions of health. Much of what children learn in regards to their views and choices is experienced in the classroom.
Studies have shown that teachers can be role models for health and that they themselves would be able to positively influence their students. A teacher's personal confidence, motivation and perception of their role in promoting health and well-being can have an effect on the level of health promotion undertaken. Self-perceived health will vary amongst individual teachers depending on personal beliefs and values in regards to its importance. A teacher who places significant value on their personal health, habits and behaviours will more likely influence their students positively. Those who lack the knowledge or perceived health as having less importance may influence their students' own habits and expressions about health. A positive attitude, taking ownership and responsibility, along with identifying as lifelong learners, are qualities that sustain teacher well-being and identity in relation to health.
A possible counter-argument on this topic could be that teachers should not be pushing their personal health agendas on their students. Health choices and behaviours should be for the students themselves and their families to dictate. Teachers' personal views should not become apparent during the classroom, but rather children's health needs should be addressed specifically within the curriculum framework in relation to current issues such as obesity and mental health.
To this we rebut that a teacher will unconsciously influence their students' health views through the personal interactions, relationships and their own perceptions. It is this informal or hidden curriculum that plays a significant role in students' understanding, values and beliefs.
Created using Powtoon.